and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today I kind of just wanted to sit down and do like a fun look for you guys. Actually, you guys know we're in 2020, so I wanted to do an inspiring look on the 1920s, like the roaring 20s, and do a cool little, like, you know, the roaring 20s look. So take it back to the 20s, and I could also turn this into a series if you guys like it, and do like going through the decades or something like that. So let me know, y'all. Let me know, because I'm down. Yeah, so let's go ahead and just get into this. Let's see. We're gonna do first things first. I'm gonna block out these brows. So we're getting the mighty old glue stick. First things first, we obviously have to cover these brows because in the 1920s they had those little Sharpie brows. So we're gonna go ahead and recreate a different brow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack glue into my brow. I really want to make sure the glue really gets in there. Now I'm going to take a bit of setting powder, like a good amount. I'm slapping it on there. I'm just going in with my Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil as a primer for the rest of my face. I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation.
I went ahead and just applied Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Stand because I guess I lost the footage of me applying my foundation. So that's what we're doing here. And of course, we went ahead and covered the brows with foundation and then as well now with concealer. So go ahead and just blend that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and just create these Sharpie brows. Pretty much just doing it with eyeliner. I'm literally just doing a really thin brow, high arch. I'm actually doing one side a little bit higher than the other, kind of give me that effect on the face. So that's what I'm doing here, and just create your other eyebrow. First, I'm going to be taking these two shades just to start blending out my eye shape. I am going to do quite a different eye shape due to the fact that I covered my brows, so I have more lid space. So I'm taking this shade right into the crease, kind of making a straight line from the beginning of my fake brow to the end of my fake brow. So kind of changing the illusion of my eye in that sense. But just go ahead and enjoy the tutorial, guys. And boom, we are going to be going in with the silver in the Power of Makeup collab with Too Faced that Nikki has had. I'm just gonna go in with that silver and just pack that on the lid where there is negative space right in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that on. Okay guys, going in after, we're just going to go in with a darker shade, just tight lining our lower lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and get into some colored contacts and finish up the rest of the eye and throw on some lashes. Y'all know the drill. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. You guys know this is just a more theatrical kind of makeup, so I really have fun making these for you guys. It's a fun time. It's a fun time because I don't get to do these that quite often. Going right in with some blush, because back then they were not about bronzer, they were all about blush. So we are going to blush it up. When I mean blush it up, we're gonna blush it up like up. We're gonna go ham with this blush. Remember, this is our only way to bring back life into the face, so we're gonna go ham. We're gonna bring the blush to the motherfucking cheeks. Going in with some Amarizi highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna go ahead and just highlight the face, the nose, the cupid's bow, the cheeks. You guys know the drill. And we're gonna go ahead and move on right after to some lips, because it's time to finish this look. Yeah. Going in with the Ola Chola collection. This is in the lip liner Payasa. And I'm going to be lining the top of my lip a little more defined, and then the bottom of my lip. And then I'm kind of going to ombre that out to the sides and just add a gloss.
Alrighty guys, so this is gonna be the completed look for you guys today. I know it's a little bit of a different one, but we went ahead and recreated that Roaring 20s look, and I honestly loved recreating this for you guys because I never get to play around with like different looks, different kind of ways to do makeup, and that is honestly my favorite thing to do. Like, I love Halloween time because I can do crazy different things. So this was actually really fun to recreate for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Roaring 20s inspired makeup look. I hope you guys join me for my next video. Don't forget, I post Thursdays and Sundays, so definitely like, subscribe, and turn on that little notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching today, guys, and I'll see you on my next one.